and welcome. Welcome to our new Enfield office, which isn't much yet, but we got big plans for it. So this has been a real dream of mine for a long time. To be here in my hometown right now, to have this office, I'm so excited for this opportunity. Not us. I don't know. Things you find out when you move, you gotta figure out where your mailbox is and stuff. From my house, Enfield's as close as Glastonbury. So I'll be here some of the days, but we're gonna have this office staffed because honestly, we're even outgrowing our Glastonbury space. We are going to, it's sort of like the modern thing, right? We're gonna have workstations here where there's gonna be desks that are the same, gonna have external monitors that are shared, and people are gonna come in when they're here with their laptops, whether it's me or Andrew, or Betsy or Allison, and plug right into one of our workstations and work. So I think we're gonna set up 4 workstations and we're gonna alternate people who are here. At least that's the plan for like the next few months. So yeah, Andrew's also excited. He loves the Mexican place right over there. You gotta think of these things when you get an office, Where are you gonna eat? Where are you gonna order from? How far do you have to go? We constantly looking for opportunities. And believe it or not, there's not a whole lot of real estate or office space available in Enfield. And we saw this, and within a day of it being listed, we checked it out the next day, and we bought it like the 3rd day. We identified the opportunity and pounced.